What's going on, my people? Great to see you. It's the weekly live. We're going to open it up to questions, but before we do, I want to give you a little monologue because something is killing me. We've got an epidemic. We've got a disease. We've got a massive problem in the world of sales. And let me explain what it is. Hopefully I'll make a connection with at least one of you out there, or at least you'll be like, oh my gosh, I feel the same way. And maybe you'll change how you do things personally. But everybody else out there is sucking it up, for lack of a better word. They stink. They're terrible. What do I mean? Salespeople are lazy. They are way too lazy. Sales reps, business development. We are way too lazy in the beginning of this relationship, and we push way too hard in the end. Let me explain what I mean. Calling people seems to be dead because some jabroni out there was like, oh, nobody answers the phone. So nobody calls a prospect anymore. What do? We spam bomb them with emails. But wait a minute. They're not opening that email in real time. They're not responding to us in real time. So why aren't we calling them? Because it's incredibly lazy. We're all, not all of us, but most people in sales are putting together some sort of mini sales pitch in an email, and we're blasting that out to people because it's lazy, because it's easy, because we don't have to put our emotions on the line. Okay? You got to knock it off. You've got to stop doing that. Every single person that works in sales feels like they're the good guy or the good gal. We're the good person. I do good work. I'm offering good solutions. Yet we act like all the scumbags out there. How is it that a customer can tell the difference between you and a scammer? They can't, because you guys are doing the exact same things. Leading with emails, leading with DMs. Just take a minute and call somebody, but they don't answer the phone. That's not the freaking point. The point is so that they can hear your beautiful, amazing voice on their voicemail and go, hey, this is a real person. This probably isn't a scam. They've got an idea that they want to get my opinion on, right? Again, with being lazy, we don't give them any insights. What do? We give them insults and not insights. We give them insults, but not insights. Your website is slow. Your business is down. Your receivables could be a lot better. We literally lead the relationship by insulting somebody. Instead of saying, hey, congratulations on where you guys are at so far. Amazing. Hey, one of the things that we're seeing in the industry is people with their ad campaigns, people with their logistics, they're doing this and this and this, and that's helping them get to levels where you guys are at right now. I'm curious to see how you guys have gotten to where you're at right now without that. That's a big difference. That's an insight than just insulting somebody and telling them what's wrong. All right? So we're way too lazy in the beginning. But if you remember, I also said we push too hard in the end. And this kills me. This is one of those things, life isn't fair. The world has got traps. The world was set up with little bombs and little trip lines and traps to stop people like you from achieving the level of success that you're destined to hit. And one of those traps is this. You don't get the confidence to act in an appropriate manner towards the end of a deal to get you successful until you're already successful. I'm going to repeat that because it's really important to understand. This is why most of the population never makes millions of dollars a year. Because you don't hit the confidence of somebody who's making millions of dollars a year that you need to make millions of dollars a year until you've already made millions of dollars a year. It's like a conundrum. It's an unsolvable riddle. Well, if I don't have the confidence to make the money, and I need the confidence to make the money, but I don't get the confidence till I have the money, you're now in a chicken and an egg situation. And most people push too damn hard in the end. Hey, it's not a fit for us. Oh, come on, if I could just have 5 minutes of your time, I'd love to show you that it's a fit for you. Come on, you guys are making a big mistake here. What if I could lower my price 20%? Right? If you were already making millions of dollars, you would act as if somebody that made millions of dollars a year, because you already made millions of dollars a year, when somebody said, hey, it's not a fit for me right now, you'd maybe mirror them, not a fit for you. Yeah, we're just going through some stuff right now. We can't look at logistics companies. Hey, no problem. We'll be here when you guys need to streamline your receivables and do those pickups in the evening hours. Fair enough? Yeah, sure, that sounds great. When the minute you push at the end, all you end up doing is seeming desperate. All you end up doing is seeming pathetic. And all you end up doing is solidifying that person that they made the right decision in putting you off. What you need to do is take that time that you're going to push, and keep calling somebody and blasting them until they buy or die at the end, and spend that time prospecting in the middle. Fill your damn pipeline. If I gave each and every one of you an extra 400 deals right now in the beginning of your pipeline, you wouldn't act so damn desperate with the 3 that you desperately need to close right now to be able to hit your numbers, make your commissions, go on that vacation. Because you have 300 deals. And it just frustrates the hell out of me because all these salespeople out there, we all have it inverted. We don't do any work in the front end and we do too much work in the back end. Your sale is not won or lost with the close. Your sale is won or lost in your prospecting. Your sale is won or lost in people making a connection with you. Your sale is won or lost with you delivering insights. Your sale is won or lost with you being a resource for them. We'll be here when you guys need sales and top line revenue. Fair enough? And then all of a sudden the world starts to open and people call you back a month later. Hey, I was thinking about what you said. I know we pushed you off on the sales training. We've got a problem right now with some new hires. Is there any way you could help us with that? Not sure if I can. Talk to me about what's going on. Can you give me a specific example of what's going on with the new hires? Do the work in the beginning and you will speed up the results in the end. And on those deals that don't go your way, guys, I'm pleading with you. Stop being desperate. Stop trying to force it in there. Does this make sense?